find the Bengal tigers chasing after a drone. Oh, here we're here to see the fierce human-head tiger. Oh, I'd hate to run into that one. It almost looks human, doesn't it, with its human-like qualities? And the tigers are chasing after a pheasant. Two Siberian human-head tigers rivaling against that drone. Who's going to win? Oh, they're fierce. I wouldn't want to get in the middle of that battle. They've taken that drone down. It's incredible. These are fierce. A pack of Rajing tigers. Wow. Oh, it looks like one of our Siberians has prevailed. Human head, they call him male. And look at him take off there in the front of the pack.